Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? Well, I'm going to do a very quick double haul from two completely different sources of people. You can see what I'm wearing today. This is that shirt that I got. I can't even remember from where, but isn't this pretty? I'm going to wear this for when I go on vacation with my husband. It's beautiful. It's like a little dress, but it's a little too short, I think. I don't know. I guess if I wore just little flip-flops, I could wear it as a dress with no jeans underneath, but right now I'm wearing leggings underneath it. And I just filmed a video I want y'all to go and listen to. I think I'm fixing to listen to it and see if it turned out okay. It's really was frustrating to me because the whole time I was talking, the dogs went ballistic. Listen, they're totally quiet now. I felt like it was the enemy, y'all. And part of me just wanted to give up and say, forget it, I don't need to deliver this message. I don't really think it's from God. And then I thought, no, you know this is from God. You know this is something that's been laid on your heart to talk to people about. And it's basically saying, if these were the end times, are you ready? And the point is, normally we say that to unbelievers. I was talking to Christians. Are they ready for the battle against the enemy? We have those battles every single day. So anyway, I just felt like I was going through a lot trying to get that out, so I'm asking y'all to please judge not. I hope I'm gonna listen to it and feel and see, despite my imperfections, trying to tell it and share it, was the message right? If it is, I'm gonna go ahead and upload it. But for now, we're back to meaningless makeup. No kidding. I've got some makeup here, and I almost felt guilty buying it. It's KKW Beauty. Why do I feel guilty buying it? I don't agree with a lot of what the whole Kardashian scene stands for. And that sounds kind of judgmental, especially since I went and bought her product, which would seem to say that I'm supporting her. But I'm not. I just wanted the makeup, and my makeup is not what's keeping her rich. She was rich to start with. And the bottom line is, if I said I'm not going to buy something from everyone who's ever sinned, then I would never have any stuff, because we've all sinned and we all do things that are wrong. I do think that, I don't know if she's a Christian or not, I would think not. I mean, I hate to say that, but we can tell by the fruit, the behavior. Y'all, here we go again. It's just incredible right now. Maybe I'm not supposed to talk at all. Maybe it's the Lord trying to stop me, not the enemy. Anyway, I think we should pray for famous people that we think, hey, they need to get their act together. It's like, well, then pray for them. Pray for Madonna. Pray for Kim Kardashian. Pray for, don't just pray for other people that you know. Pray for people that you don't know that are very famous, because if they came to faith in the Lord, wow, what an influence it could be for good. And a lot of people are not brought up in the Lord. I don't know what their religious upbringing was, but they may be like, hey, I'm a good person, which, by the way, being a good person doesn't get you into heaven. Only Jesus Christ can get you into heaven, because nobody's actually good except God. But the bottom line is, it's not to say you're a bit above them, because you're not, and I'm not. It's just saying, hey, I kind of see something that woman needs some prayer, right? In the meantime, I've bought a beauty kit just because, for one thing, I'll say they've got some really excellent marketing. This is excellent tone on tone. I don't know if you can even see the KKW Beauty. It's a great looking package. They got a lot of money. You know, how you feel about the Kardashians is up to you. I feel just as strong about some other makeup companies that are even worse. There's some things I just definitely don't believe in their makeup, and I've bought it. So, I don't know. Am I a hypocrite? What are your thoughts on that? Do you buy things only from Christians? Anyway, okay, so, and you realize that sin, Christians also sin, so, I don't know. I don't support sinning, but I still may get a product. Does that make any sense? Like, I may go to a restaurant that's Chinese and they may have a Buddha statue in there. Should I not go to that restaurant? Because I don't believe in Buddha. I actually do believe that Buddha existed. Siddhartha Gautama was his name, and he was a prince. He was not a god. He didn't even believe in gods. And yet he's treated that way. And he was a supposedly very young, good-looking, wealthy man, and the Buddhas basically portray an old, fat, indulgent man. So it's just interesting he also didn't believe in worshiping the Hindu faith, which is what he came from. Idols of wood and stone, and yet what are these Buddhas made of? Wood and stone. It's just so ironic the way that whole, or my friend who's a Buddhist, she says it's Buddhism. I'm a Buddhist, not a Buddhist. I'm like, okay. I didn't realize that the pronunciation was that critical. I'm more concerned about the fact that your reasoning is circular and you are following a belief system that is not correct. And she'd say, I don't believe in a God. And I'm like, that's also not correct. There is a God. There is a God. He loves you. He made you. He absolutely loves you. Okay, I'm talking about makeup here. This is just me. Never going to apologize for it. For those of you who watch this and say, I don't believe you should mix makeup and Jesus, you're at the wrong channel. Because I'm definitely not ever going to be told I can't do that. Even if YouTube shuts me down, then y'all go find me on Facebook or something. We'll do Facebook Lives or and it's B Buchanan on Instagram. Don't forget that. Learn where my social medias are in case I ever do get shut down. Because my Facebook is Beth Buchanan. But the one that I use for this is Fashion, Glamour, and Bling Oh My. Which I'm thinking about rebranding. Like changing it to be Bible, Beauty, Fashion, and Fun. What do you think of that? Where am I today? Okay, so here's the Kim Kardashian kit. I just want to see, first of all, that's excellent packaging. Incredible marketing, y'all. See how those are tipped? Look how they're tipped up. So they face you. They're like peering towards you. Now, these are not the colors I wear, so why in the world did I get this? Should I make this a giveaway? I don't know. Probably not, because I'm fixing it. Oh my gosh, it's hard to get the mascara out. I assume that's what this is, unless it's concealer. KKW Beauty is what this is called. It is mascara. It is not waterproof. I may get that away. Then there is a box of lashes, which I do not wear lashes. I've tried. I want to. I think they're beautiful. I may try it. These are very wispy. Can y'all see that? Very, very, very pretty. The way we all wish our lashes actually looked. Why? Because it does look pretty to have fleecy little lashes. Those are very pretty. This is Smoky Volume 1. Synthetic Natural Blend. So that's her lashes. Then above that you saw was this is a whole beauty kit, by the way. I'm going to need to get a pair of scissors or something so this won't be giveawayable. Because I can't get this stuff to pop out of here, so it's going to cut the... Oh my gosh, it's hard to get this stuff out. I just cut the... Okay, this is eyeliner. Black. Don't like it. It's not a scroll up, so that gets 10 points off right there for me. Because you've got to find a sharpener that will sharpen plastic, because this is plastic. It does look creamy, but it's probably not for me. Okay, so what I really wanted was the eye palette. If we can get that out. Now this I do like. I like this a lot. These are great colors. Again, not great names. Femme, Risque, Fatale, like, anyway, Femme Fatale. Antique, Exotic, and Dark. I mean, those aren't bad, but it never has a good connotation except the Emily Edit. I think that's what I'm going to go get for you guys to do in the giveaway. But they are pretty colors. Highlight, transition, dark. This is a good transition color as well. Black, and a shimmer for the lid. I think I will definitely keep that. Love that part. I will probably not keep the lipsticks. Y'all comment below and tell me. I would take pieces of the kit. They don't have to come in the kit. Because if so, I may make these part of the giveaway. Because y'all know I do not use regular lipstick. I only use Stay On no matter what. Chanel. These colors, let me just go ahead and... They're sweating, so they must have a lot of wax. Here's the colors. They're basically nudes, as people would call it. They are brown-toned, natural colors. I have no idea about the wearability or the stay-on ability. I'll just tell you that. One's called Classic Icon 1, and then one's called Classic Icon 2. Well, that was interesting. So this, again, it's very, very pretty packaging. Very consistently across the way. This is Luxe. And this is Glitz and Glam. Ooh, I bet these are highlighters. It's Luxe. I may keep these because that looks like a blush that I could use. And this is Glitz and Glam, and y'all know my original channel was called Glitzy Glam. And then I saw Elle and Blair Fowler, and they had a shop, and they called the shop Glitzy Glam. So I was Beth Buchanan, Glitzy Glam. I think there is still a channel out there called that, and it's like so old. Okay. Yeah, I'm definitely going to like this just because I would use this as highlighter. This is a nice champagne shimmer highlighter. And I would use it all around. Yeah, I like that. I like both of those. I'll keep those. And again, look at the packaging consistency. Look at the color consistency on the packaging. It's very good packaging, y'all. Very good marketing. Of course, she probably has the best. That's what money will buy you. Here's their lip liner, Classic Icon lip liner. And it's, again, a nude liner, which a nude liner is always a shade darker than what the lip typically is. So it can frame the lip. I may keep that. I don't know. I may give it away with the 2 lipsticks. And then to go on top is a lip gloss, I guess this is, or is this concealer? What's that? Lust. I can't even in good conscience give that away. I can't give you something that's the name of it. Am I surprised? That's what I think my friend was saying. She didn't want to support it. And I get that now. It doesn't even smell like vanilla. And it's kind of a melon color that she uses. I mean, this will make your face look like Kim Kardashian's face is what this boils down to. It's kind of neutral melon, nude browns. Like very, 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 very light. So that's that. So what are my overall impressions? The lashes look fantastic if you wear lashes. I wish I could because I love those. The mascara probably is great. I will probably give it away because it, I don't know, I may try it. I may do a tutorial using